Originally constructed to be the family Florida homestead, but a transfer out of state at the last moment turned this energy efficiency Meritage-built home into a gently, hardly used vacation destination. Made with room for everyone with upgraded wiring in the separate family, media and bonus rooms, you will find a great house with a massive floor plan and a big backyard with upgraded wooded view. This home offers a big kitchen with granite counters, plenty of cabinets, upgraded butler's pantry with backsplash and plenty of room for those who love to entertain and host big holiday gatherings. There are 2 master suites, 1 on each floor, 2 laundry rooms, 1 on each floor, dedicated home office, first floor guest suite, currently used as a walk-in pantry, with adjacent full bath, formal rooms, dinette with a wooded patio view, massive second floor bonus room plus a second floor media room. There are a total of 7 possible bedrooms, 5 full baths, multiple storage closets, 3-car tandem garage in addition to an excellent upgraded 2 series water heating system. The seller does not wear shoes in the house, so the carpeting is still fluffy. The backyard is very nice, partially fenced and has room for hours of enjoyment. This home offers walk-in closets, energy-efficient insulation, 2-zone energy-efficient HVAC, water-saving options. All located in the gated community of Forsbrook. Nearby 408, 429 and 4